we're going to start.
Yes, and also some reminders. We encourage everyone to please refrain from drinking too much water after this. Or else, basi ma'am,
Makita kita siya.
makita ka sa restroom.
And if ever, meron ito na restroom sa lubasan.
Yes, yes. And of course, everybody please, let's practice clean as you go or play go. Our trash bins and wash area, located lang sa the left side of the cement floor.
And also, cleaning shall be done by bare hands. So if the participants opt to use a knife, spoon, or any aid in eating, they should provide one for themselves.
Yes, for yes.
And also, the activity is self-service. No? So participants can have additional servings by raising their hands. No? So our staff over there will give you additional mangoes. No? So just raise your hand po.
Thank you. Barbie.
The time check is 9:38. So lapit na ang gate. And then we will start our second batch for our mango beef all good game.
Yes, so for our second batch, are you all excited?
Yes, again. Yes, again. Last call for those who are wearing green wristband. We're about to start. Okay? We're about to start. Kasi nagagaw lang. Gaw po kami sa palikod. Please get inside now.
Or double check your wristband, di ba? Kasi green ang kinasuksok ninyo. Kaya magkapila ang magdala sa buong, no?
Yes, please wear. Kasi may mga vacant seats pa po tayo. So I think we're still missing somebody here. Please get inside now. Okay, so here we are.
Again, green for those wearing green wristbands.
Okay, get inside.
So kindly occupy the mga available seats that we
Get
have.
your mangoes, mga children.
The mga cute. no?
Yes.
Mga
So for our
agad.
children,
Oo.
I believe 50 pesos na
Yes, 50 pesos.
Yes.
Oh, there's only 7 below.
Oh, 7 below. 50 pesos only.
Yes. Alright, so again,
Last call.
last call.
We're about to start in 5 minutes. Please, last call. Those scheduled at 9:45. Green wristband. Please get inside now.
Alright, so again, last call sa mga, for those wearing green wristband.
Yes, we only still have 5 minutes. 5 minutes more for us to start our next batch. 9:45, we will start all together, so please don't start eating yet, okay? We will start all together at 9:45.
Picture ka mag-aanay.
Yes.
Make pictures, make memories, and don't forget to share that to us, to the province of Guimaras Facebook account.
Yes, and don't forget to use our official hashtags. Hashtag Manggaan 2025.
Hashtag mangoes and more. Hashtag love Gimaras. Hashtag Kabataan First and hashtag province of Gimaras.
Yup. So again mo lang gate. Almost 4 minutes.
And yan, for schedule.
Are you all excited already? Excited na ba? Yes! I cannot hear you. Parang gusto niyo na talaga. Oh, did I hear it? Did I hear you? Oh, are you all excited? Okay, all right.
Now we have 3 minutes left.
Okay, and mabuhay! Welcome to Manggaan Festival 2025! Welcome to Mango Eat All You Can! I am Judy,
My name is Jason.
I am Lloyd.
And I am Mia.
and we
We
are
are from the
Gimaras Pool of Pros. go up. One
Pick
mango.
one mango. Raise it.
One. Higher.
Higher po. Ayun.
Higher po. Higher po.
Higher.
And counting in the countdown in 10,
9,
9, 8,
7,
6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. You have exactly 30 minutes to enjoy as many mangoes as you can. Should you need more, all you need to do is to raise
Raise your
your
hands.
hands. Okay? Okay. Ano niyo po, namnamin niyo po, mangga ng Gimaras.
Yes.
This is not a contest. Okay? So eat as many as you can for 30 minutes.
Yes. Pero FYI lang again, record to beat is 25.
boss. Pagkatapos na lang yung isang ganun. Kuha ka sila? Pagkatapos nito ang ganun? Oo, pwede kumuha?
Oo, pwede sir.
Sorry, yung camera mo. Hindi mo daw kuha niya. Sabi yung pupunta, bibigyan naman.
Kasi you like them to enjoy, you know.
Baka sumakit yan. Baka sumakit yan.
Oo.
Ito kayo naman, let them feel the mangoes.
Let them savor the sweet Gimaras mangoes.
And last year, 2025 ang man atong record holder, and he's Donnie Johnson from Kentucky, USA. Ayun.
So we'll see kung may araw makapit sa ating record kasi may makakonsume din 26 mangoes.
And another fun fact, no, the province has, kung nag-prepare 13 tons na something buta sa atin na nagulong over cancel.
Equivalent to how many kilos?
13,000 kilos.
30,000 kilos.
13,000! So Gimaras indeed is the mango country of the Philippines.
Ang mga nakatako, ang ginprataraw para sa ina, no, sa atin yung resident sa Mango ERUPN.
Yeah, so yung grabe ng preparation. So, let's enjoy the sweet
Yes.
Gimaras
So
mango.
every day we are accommodating 8 batches for more pag-iragyan. We'll see later on kung may araw na ito. As much as we can, i-accommodate natin din sila.
Since this is the last day of
Yes.
natin, meron bang kami extend, no?
Baka umabot tayo ng 8 p.m. Okay, so again, later on we will be having our cultural
Competition at the main events area.
And tonight,
Tonight we have Hey June and Junella.
Ayun. Si Jesus, makita namin sa buong, pinapakita pa sa iba ng ilang tao. Kaya naman naubos na ang
yes.
more or less isa na tao. So, enjoy na everyone. And together guys, we'll get to know you guys.
If you wish to have more mangoes, just raise your hand.
Raise your hands now po. Ayun.
Yes, our killers are on standby and they are very ready to serve everyone of
Wala pa nagtaas?
Okay.
Wala pa nagtaas?
So, baby girl,
Wala pa nagtaas ba?
Wala pa.
Cute ka, baby girl.
Yes, yeah.
Gina-enjoy na ginang iyang
How old are you? 4 years old! Para sa akin na yung ito. Grabe. Taga-date ka mo ba? From Otol, sa mga ano oras ka mo kayo na nagpila? 4 a.m.? Hindi ba kayo na sa may work? Ano oras ka mo nagpila? 4 a.m. Imagine, 4 a.m. nagpila na para lang nakatabot kayo sa mga
Kaya sila nga grabe ang sacrifice.
Yes.
Baby girl, kumusta ang sabor sa pako? Ha? Namit? Namis? Very good! Cute ka, baby girl. Enjoy your mango! Okay, so again, everyone is ready na. So again, ready ako this side.
Yes, yeah. Let's prepare. Papalaban tayo nito.
Okay, so okay, let's do this again. We have our friends from
Grabe.
Kayo Universal Guimaras.
Alright, so, Abian, we have here friends from
San Jose, Antique.
San Jose, Antique. Karuhay, Antique. So, sir, sino mo magpano mo sa ba? Kasi, so, ang pamangkot, sir, pila ayan ka pa ako, ang makaya mo ubusan sa mo. Sige, so, kaya na yan makaubos ang 25, kaya na yan mabina 25.
Mamaya na yung insulin ah.
Ay, alam mo para sa iyo. Anyway, thank you, Get. Sa podcast ko, dali sa atin yung good call. The first time? Fourth time. Gagamit ba? Ikaw mo, sir.
Delicioso.
Deliciosa.
Deliciosa.
Can you spell delicioso?
Ito spell ba ito, partner? Sige. So, thank you very much, of course. Friends natin from Antique. Ayun.
And again, we also have friends. We also have from foreigners friends here, ma'am. How is the taste of mango?
Delicious.
Is it your first time here?
Yes.
Do you enjoy?
It's super nice and fun.
Oh, they enjoy it so much.
Where are we
Thanks so
from,
much,
Abian?
ma'am. Where are you from, ma'am? France.
Hey.
I will want to know your names, ma'am. Two players. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please enjoy your mangoes.
Yes, Abian, Vic.
Yes, hello everybody. Taga saan po? Where are you from? Lanao del Norte at saka Sariaya, Quezon. Wow, Sariaya, Quezon, malayo po. Is this your first time po? Right. So, ano po masasabi niyo sa experience niyo dito sa Guimaras?
Maraming mga maganda lugar dito.
Pwede pa po ba next year?
Yeah, balik pa.
Okay, thank you so much for coming and enjoy Guimaras!
Alright, dito naman tayo. So, good morning, ma'am. Pwede ka mag-interview, ma'am? Teka, saan mo kayo, ma'am? Dumaguete! So, sino po mga kasama ninyo? Family. Sige po. Is this your first time mo mag-join? So, kumusta po? Paano niyo po i-describe yung Guimaras Menos in Bisaya po? Kami kaayo. So again, thank you very much and thank you for visiting Guimaras and joining. Enjoy po kayo. Alright.
And also, again, we have friends from
Mindanao.
Mindanao, ma'am. Kamusta ka, ma'am? Or to the back, kamusta ka naman? Ito ang tao nila.
Manamit, Pilila. Matangkis.
Matamis ka, magamit. Ma-first time nito rin na. Balikin ko mo next year for sure. Nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please enjoy your time.
Yes, and we also have our friends from
Ginamot pa yan. Interview na.
Ma'am Guimaras! Taga Balabista? Taga Balabista, mo ko galing ma'am. And yung miss, kung saan? Kayo yung gasarin sa dito. First time? Okay, so, kumusta po sa Guimaras? Kami po lang yung Guimaras.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please enjoy.
Alright, so, pinangalan ako sa we have friends from... Ano? Alauna sa aga. Oh, grabe.
As in? Ay, grabe. Alauna sa kagaw, tulog sa karagabiran.
Tingnan mo, iyalang ko no. Ako na umihan. Sige, ang pamangkot, pila kapaw, ayan ako. 50. Ikaw na isa. Divided by 6. Sige, thank you very much sa pag-visit and sa pagkat-tuloy sa Guimaras. Ayun.
Oo, 50 siya ng isa.
Siya lang isa yung 30 minutes. Okay, so meron na kita visitors from Iloilo. First time ko, ma'am. So, kumusta ang pausan niyo para? Stampis, kita ba lang? The best! Thank you so much. And the host reference from? From Korea! Totoo, from Korea. Sige, ma'am, can you talk in Korean? Please greet everybody in Korean. Tigilan mo kami ni Mama. Okay, so thank you so much. Enjoy niyo sa inyong trabaho and enjoy Guimaras.
And yes, Yanvian, I have friends from where? From Iloilo. So, Oton? Yes, so ano, rasta mo na Audrey, as early as 3 in the morning, no? Oh, so thank you so much, kid. Enjoy the mangoes and don't you worry. Hasta alas 2 ang kagahon ang biyahe sa driver. So you can stay there. Pwede pa ka makatanaw kay
Junela!
Janela.
And also, again, we have friends here from Iloilo City. Ma'am, ano oras ka mo nagaling sa molo? Nagtulog ka mo na rin? Baka nakalantaw, siguro ka mamaki mo ay. Okay. Kamusta ang pahog sa Gibaras mo? Okay, Gibaras. Basta Gimaras, tamis kita ang pahog yan. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please enjoy your unlimited mangoes.
Sige, tuloy mga kabiyan, we also have friends from the past. Ay, from Capiz. Ayun, sige. So, is this the first time ma'am na mag-join? Kamusta sa mga experience na sa ating mag-art festival sa Ipon-Tolica? Anong anim na? Grabe! Sige, so, do you think mas tataas ba yung ano? Or mabeat niyo ba yung anim? Ayan. Anyway, thank you very much po sa pag-visit and enjoy po the rest of your stay dito.
Okay, we have also our friends from Iloilo. Sa Iloilo, ma'am. Hindi na kita kanina sa Parola. Ay, naman kayo. Okay, so far, is this your first time? So, kumusta ang mangga sa Guimaras? And namin kita. So, I hope to see you again next year.
And up here, we also have friends here from Surgery and Sir. Antique! Sir, kumusta ang pahog dito sa Gimaras? Sir, okay, di ba?
Quezon. O malayo-layo ang Quezon. I think ilang hours from Quezon to Manila.
It's long. 2 hours, 30 minutes lang. 1 hour lang. Kapit lang yan.
3 hours and then you have to take the plane and then you have to stop by Iloilo City and then punta pa kayo ng Guimaras. I think it's a long travel. Mas masarap ang mangga ng Guimaras sa yes. Yummy! Yummy! Dito ko no. So, mas masarap ang mangga ng Guimaras as compared to Quezon. Maraming salamat. You can bring the seeds with you. Nung pag-airport ko na nilang po ng quarantine curfew. Okay, you can bring the seeds with you, but we discourage bringing travel outside of Iloilo, let's say other parts of the country. We only need to do is just to get the permits.
Alright. Okay. So, dito naman tayo, Miss Julie. So, we have your friends from, saan mo kayo ba? Iloilo. Pero sabi niya galing daw Asa, no? Galing daw Korea, tama ba? Sige, kumusta? Ang ano oras yung may nagpila? Aabot na sila. Kasi ito sa atin, kami doing now good. Alright?
Yes, we also have our friends.
Those outside of Iloilo, all you need to do is to get a quarantine permit. There is a corner there na mga BPI for easier transport. You can get your permits there.
Okay, so kumusta po? How's your experience? Namin ang mangga. So hopefully we'll see you again next year. See you! Thank you so much, and of course our friends from Tagasan, Tagaliin. Okay. So first time nyo. So kumusta kay first time nyo?
As you go the right side,
Batches are all closed already. So you can now, again, pwede na nagkaroon sa one. Registration will start at what time? 1 o'clock. For our next batch, wearing a red wristband, please kindly matamunin. We're still going around because we're all taken
Yes.
Okay?
Again, put us in the hashtags We Happen Back 2025. Hashtag Pringles and more.
And still have your
Ano yung ginagamit na? Utilize ang amanda rin mga props and mga cards, for your photos.
Yes, and if you are posting videos or anything online, please use our
Kabataan First Stand, hashtag province of Gimaras.
Ayan.
and for schedules and
Kaya ang atot yung boarding is already, registration is already closed, no? So, meaning, punong dagit